Hello YouTube, we're going to be doing some body work to the old pickup, and we got some duplicate color touch-up paint. It's a Chrysler color. This is emerald green. I have a picture of the barcode on the cap, and that's forest green. That's way too dark, so we're going to have to settle for this. The paint that's on here, I painted this whole box. That tin's been replaced back there. This had wheel well patches put in when I got it, and they put them on top of the hole, which is wrong. And they just stick out way too far, and it made it even hard for me to try to refix the bodywork. But this is going to be rivets and tin. It's not going to be no professional bodywork. This box is in bad shape. It's not really that bad as far as the holes in the bed of it, but the sides are bad. Like I said, this has been all redone years ago. It's probably been 10 years since I done this body work. I said that whole piece of tin right back there has been put in, and it's too narrow in the back. I messed up. You can tell it goes. It's not right, but you can't tell unless you walk around and look at the other side and then look at this side. But we're just gonna go with this for now. This truck may get repainted someday. It might get camouflage spray paint or something on it. Who knows? But you can see how bad it is. So we'll take a couple of pictures of this, then we're going to do some sanding, and that's what we'll leave you with. We'll come back and show you what it looked like with some of the stuff sanded off with the orbitable, I don't know why I can't say that word, sander. We're not going to use too rough a paper. Well, we don't know what paper we're going to use. We're not going to use that 60 grit, I know that. But then we'll have some little tricks for the Bondo, how to get this level. It's that sheetrock screening stuff. You'll see it when I get doing the body work. It's just like a board. You put that stuff in. It looks like window screen with grit glued to it, like black grit, hard, whatever they call that stuff. I can't think of the name. Maybe somebody knows what it is. It's for drywall work. I'll include a picture of the stuff, the box of it, at the end of this video, so you can see what it looks like with the handle when you put it on for doing drywall work. Okay, we'll be right back real quick. We'll do some sanding on this. Okay, here's the mess. So this don't have to be perfect. I mean, I took the 120 with the Orbit sander. The nickname is the Orbitable. I use that to grind all the crap out, anything around here. And I did so I'm going off it, so don't rip up the flapping disc. This stuff is very thin. I don't know if you can tell. This is a piece out of here. See that? That's how rusted it is over the years on the back of this. So we're not going to worry about trying to get behind here and cleaning that up back there. We're going to put tin. We'll spray some bed liner right over the dirt and everything. Like I said, we're not putting a whole lot of time and effort into this. We just want it to look a little better for a few more years. So we'll form a piece of tin. So it forms just like this. That'll be brought up to here. This has already been bound, like I said, them patches, and I repaired it probably in here too. It was all mudded in, clear down into here when they put them on. They put them over top of the hole. I just keep saying that. I can't believe it. Like these little pinholes, we're just going to shove Bondo in there. Even like this. So that's kind of two layered for whatever reason. There's another piece behind there. We're just going to shove some Bondo in it. This is all bubbled up from moisture getting behind it. Before, when you've seen that old bubble, that's from bad body work before, rusting the holes through. The water gets in there and just starts lifting it off. So, like I said, that may feel smooth with your hand, but right there it's not. You can feel it. But we're not going to, like I said, we're not going to worry about it. It's going to be filled in, touched up with some paint so it looks better. So, that's going to be the main thing. So, we'll leave you with this. This will be part one. We'll call it body work on the pickup. And there you go. We'll see you next time.